in court, we intend to seek a continuance of the trial, and we will be filing papers on that in the next day or so. This has been a gut-wrenching campaign, as everybody knows, and the nation is just beginning the long healing process. And I think the last thing we need right now is to have a trial about events that occurred 6 years ago or 7 years ago, in which Mr. Trump, President-elect Trump, is a personal defendant on matters completely unrelated to the momentous obligations that he now needs to deal with. And so hopefully we will be able to get the trial deferred for a few months so that President-elect Trump and the members of his transition team can do the important work they have in front of them, and the inauguration can occur, and then we can turn to this case and try to dispense of this case. This very difficult circumstance for a sitting president, and more so, I would say, for a president-elect, because he's turning right now, as we speak, to a mountain of challenges in front of him to get himself up to speed and do the hard work that needs to be done so that there's a seamless transition of power from one administration to the next.
This was always a possibility that this would happen. That's why we asked for the trial to begin in August. They wanted it to begin after after where we are today, so they picked this date, and we assumed they wouldn't be making this argument. The court didn't want this argument back when we selected the trial in May, because this was a possibility. So we're ready to go. We don't think it changes anything. He's the president-elect. He's not sitting in office, and so we expect to go forward and get it concluded in a timely fashion.